Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi and grow a garden. First, let's dive into sushi. Begin by selecting high-quality sushi rice, nori sheets, and your favorite fresh ingredients such as fish or vegetables. Cook the sushi rice according to package directions, then gently mix in a seasoned rice vinegar solution. This gives the rice its signature flavor and texture. Next, prepare your fillings by slicing them into thin, manageable pieces, ensuring they are ready for assembly. Now, let's get to rolling. Place a nori sheet, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Dampen your hands slightly to prevent the rice from sticking, then spread a thin, even layer of sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a small border at the top. Carefully arrange your chosen fillings in a neat line across the center of the rice. This careful placement ensures a well-balanced and visually appealing roll. Moving on to gardening, selecting the right spot is crucial. Find an area in your yard that receives a minimum of 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Next, prepare your soil by incorporating nutrient-rich compost and other organic materials to improve its structure and fertility. This foundational step is vital for healthy plant growth. Finally, choose plants that thrive in your local climate and fit the size of your garden space, whether it's a small herb patch or a larger vegetable bed. Consistent care is key to a thriving garden. Water your plants regularly, paying close attention to soil moisture levels, especially during warmer, drier weather. Fertilize your plants as recommended by product instructions to provide essential nutrients for robust growth and abundant yields. Remember, a healthy garden needs a healthy gardener. For staying refreshed while you work, check out the Oala water bottle link and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.